The American dream is undergoing a digital and mechanical facelift. We are witnessing a massive shift from mass-market consumerism toward small-batch, artisanal, and locally made products. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon Handmade have created a marketplace where a single person with a specialized machine can outcompete traditional factories on quality, customization, and brand story. In the US market, the barrier to entry is no longer the cost of the machine, but the strategy behind it. Below is an in-depth analysis of 7 machines costing between $1,500 and $5,000, the sweet spot for high ROI that can turn a garage or spare room into a profitable production line. Automated artisanal soap extruder and cutter, the clean beauty boom. The U.S. natural soap market is projected to continue its steady growth as consumers flee from synthetic detergents found in commercial beauty bars. Modern buyers want cold-pressed, organic, and essential oil-infused products. The equipment and cost. For a professional startup, you aren't looking for a hand-pour kit. You need a semi-automated soap plotter, extruder, or a multi-bar wire slicer system. Machine cost. A reliable semi-industrial soap press and pneumatic cutter will cost between $2,500 and $4,000. Capacity. These machines can process 100 to 300 pounds of soap base per day, far exceeding what can be done manually. Market strategy. In the US, artisanal bars sell for $8 to $15 per unit. Your cost of goods sold, COGS, including organic oils, coconut, olive, shea butter, and high-end fragrances, typically hovers around $1.50 to $2.25 per bar. The niche. Focus on function over fragrance. Create bars for specific skin types, eczema-friendly, activated charcoal for acne, or ultra-local themes using local honey or lavender. Compliance note. In the US, soap is regulated by the CPSC, Consumer Product Safety Commission, unless it makes medical claims, in which case it falls under the FDA. High-end professional FDM, 3D printer, Bamboo Lab or Prusa ecosystem. Engineering-grade customization. 3D printing in the US has moved past plastic toys. It is now about functional parts, custom organizational tools, and architectural models. The equipment and cost. To run a business, you cannot afford tinker machines. You need a set-and-forget system like a Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon or a Prusa MK4 multi-unit farm. Machine cost. A professional-grade setup, including dryer boxes for filament and finishing tools, costs roughly $1,500 to $2,500. Materials. Using high-strength filaments like PETG, carbon fiber nylon, or TPU, allows you to sell to industries rather than just hobbyists. Market strategy. The Etsy Gold Mine, custom board game organizers, specialized camera gear accessories, or high-end mechanical keyboard cases. B2. B prototyping. Small local engineering firms often need a prototype yesterday. Charging $50 to $100 per print hour is standard for specialized materials. Margins. A 1 kilogram spool of filament costs $20 to $50 and can produce 20 to 50 small items sold for $15 to $30 each. Heated piston filling machine. Cosmetics and lip balms. Indie beauty scalability. The indie beauty movement is massive in the US. This machine solves the biggest bottleneck in cosmetics: clean, precise filling without air bubbles or waste. The equipment and cost. A stainless steel pneumatic piston filler with a heated hopper is essential for products like lip balms, salves, and thick creams that need to stay liquid while being bottled. Machine cost. $2,000 to $3,500. Precision. These machines offer plus or minus 1% accuracy, which is vital for maintaining the net weight accuracy required by US labeling laws. Market strategy. A premium lip balm in a cardboard, eco-friendly tube retails for $5 to $9. The cost of the formula is often less than 80 cents. White labeling. This is your secret weapon. Approach local boutique gyms, spas, or gift shops and offer to make a house brand of lip balms or hand creams. FDA compliance. You must follow good manufacturing practices, GMP. While the machine handles the volume, Your cleanroom setup is your brand's insurance. DTF, direct-to-film, desktop printing system, the king of custom apparel. The U.S. custom apparel market is worth billions. DTF technology has largely replaced DTG, direct-to-garment, for small businesses because it requires less maintenance and works on any fabric, cotton, poly, denim. The equipment and cost: a professional desktop DTF system, printer plus powder shaker plus curing oven, is necessary to avoid the clogs common in converted home printers. Machine cost: $3,500 to $5,000 for a reliable 12-inch or 24-inch entry-level industrial model. Quality: DTF prints are stretchable and survive 50-plus washes, satisfying the high-quality expectations of American consumers. Market strategy: micro-merch. Every YouTuber, local CrossFit gym, and coffee shop wants merch but doesn't want to order 500 shirts from China. Offer: minimum order quantity, 12. Pricing: a blank high-quality shirt, like Bella Plus Canvas, costs $4 to $6. The DTF transfer costs roughly $1. You can sell the finished shirt for $25 to $35. The gang sheet model: you can also sell just the printed transfers to other crafters, which is a high-volume, low-effort revenue stream. Commercial chocolate tempering and enrobing machine, the gourmet confectionery market. American consumers are increasingly choosing dark, single-origin, and vegan chocolates over mass-market candy bars. Precision tempering is the difference between a product that looks amateur and one that looks like it belongs in a luxury boutique. The equipment and cost: a tabletop commercial tempering machine, like a ChocoVision Revelation Delta, ensures the cocoa butter crystals stabilize perfectly. Machine cost: $2,500 to $3,800. Capacity: processes about 10 to 17 pounds of chocolate per batch. Market strategy: the functional chocolate. Trend: infusing chocolates with adaptogens, ashwagandha, lion's mane, or high-protein elements. Pricing: a 3-ounce artisanal bar can easily retail for $10 to $14 in high-end markets like New York, Austin, or Los Angeles. Gifting: focus on corporate gifting. A $50 box of custom-molded bonbons is a standard corporate thank you gift in the U.S. Semi-automatic pyramid tea, bagging machine. The wellness and herbal tea, Surge Tea, is the fastest-growing segment in the U.S. beverage market, fueled by the sober curious movement and general wellness trends. Pyramid bags are perceived as premium compared to flat paper bags. The equipment and cost: an ultrasonic sealing pyramid tea bagging machine doses loose-leaf tea and seals it into mesh bags. Machine cost: for a semi-auto tabletop version, expect to pay $3,500 to $5,000. Value add: you are buying loose tea in bulk, e.g. $15 per pound, and selling it in bags where the effective price becomes $100 per pound. Market strategy: the sleep and focus. Market: create proprietary blends. Bedtime teas and brain boost. Matcha blends are top sellers on Amazon. Eco-friendly: use PLA, cornstarch-based mesh. Americans are highly concerned about microplastics in traditional tea bags. Plastic-free is a major selling point. Pricing: a tin of 15 to 20 pyramid bags typically retails for $18 to $24. Industrial spice and burr grinder. The fresh ground gourmet movement standard grocery store spices in the U.S. are often years old and have lost their essential oils. The flavor artisan niche is wide open for local producers. The equipment and cost: you need a heavy-duty stainless steel burr mill or a water-cooled spice grinder to ensure the friction doesn't cook the oils during the grinding process. Machine cost: $1,500 to $2,500. Durability: these machines are designed to grind everything from hard cinnamon sticks to oily peppercorns without seizing. Market strategy: BBQ culture, the U.S. BBQ market is massive. Creating signature rubs for brisket and ribs is a guaranteed entry point. Freshness: guarantee, market your product with a ground-on-date label. Freshness is a luxury in the spice world. Pricing: a 4-ounce jar of custom-blended high-quality spice retails for $12 to $18. Your raw material cost is usually under $3. None of these machines are magic wands. They are tools. The magic happens when you combine industrial-grade production with a specific, underserved niche. You don't need a factory. You just need a corner of your house and the guts to start.